Hi, to connect an SD card to your iPhone 16e, first thing you're gonna need is this SD card reader. So let me show you how it looks from different angles. Here we got marking that it is SD card reader, we got this place for an SD card, and also Type-C cable, which perfect for this phone. So take your SD card and place in this position into the reader, and now just plug the cable in your phone like that. So to find files on your SD card, you need to go in this Files app, and here you should see this section Untitled in Locations category. This is basically your SD card. You can select it and check files on this SD card. To move them to your iPhone internal storage, for example, you need to press and hold file you want to move and select either remove, so it will be removed from your SD card and placed in internal storage, or you can choose to copy this file so it will stay in both places. Go back, choose on my iPhone, hold any free space and choose to paste. And as you can see, the file is transferring to our phone's internal storage. And yep, everything was done correctly. Now we can also go back on our SD card, press and hold any free space and choose to add new folder. And let's say I want to move some photos from this device on SD card. So I'm going to name it as Photos from iPhone. And yep, save changes. Now we can go in Photos app, select photos we want to transfer to an SD card, click Share icon, then scroll down and choose Save to Files. After that, you need to use this arrow to go back, and once more, and select Untitled Location, which is your SD card. Here, pick this folder which we just created and click Save. And as you can see, we just copied those photos to an SD card. So let's check this. I'm gonna go back in this Files app, open the folder, and yep, it appears right here. So you can do the same, but you can copy some files from your iPhone internal storage to an SD card or reverse. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.